Hello, everyone. Nice to see you, and welcome to another episode. Oops, just a moment. My laptop is with with sound on. Now it's off, and I'm very happy, guys, to be here tonight here in Bulgaria and to present you the latest updates about the video ecosystem. It's a kind of special edition here because, as you know, we missed for first time since the beginning of Evedo talks. We missed 1 month, the last month in October, in November. We missed our Evedo talk for first time since the very beginning, which is like 37 months on a roll, and we missed it for a reason. Definitely, we were in a crazy situation, and we are still like very affected of what happened with one of our projects. But what is important is that we resisted, and here on this live stream, we are going to speak a little bit more about what exactly happened, what are the learnings for us, what we lost, what we won from the situation, and also to give you updates about everything that is happening. We are working on a lot of restructuring based on the current market situation and based on everything that is happening with us. But for sure, it's for good, and me and the team, we are very motivated to give first all these updates. Just to say, today I will be the only one on the stream, and will be a little bit different. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna explain some stuff, but yeah, the other founders are not here. They are watching. Thumbs up. And yeah, as I said, this is like kind of bigger update for the last 2 months and what we went through. Also, what's next? What are the next steps for the Evedo ecosystem? What are the next steps for the products that we are building and Fragment? Um, and the things are definitely looking great, but yeah, the experience that we got for the last months was really crazy, crazy one that I didn't expect. In the previous live session, we were supposed to finalize our ideals, and we were supposed to go for the token launch of the Frag token, and to actually start the token life cycle of the Frag token, and we made it. But as you know, we had a big problem on the start. I want to share my screen now, and we'll speak over everything that I'm going to show you. Meanwhile, everyone that is watching this now on the live stream or after that, feel free, guys, to ask any questions here on the chat, on the Telegram group, in our Discord channels, or of course after that in the way that you feel comfort. We are open to answer any questions that are from our community, supporters, partners, people that are just exploring our project as well. There are a lot of people, by the way, that are joining the communities from the different partnership networks that we are having, mostly from the launch pads that we were working uh, based on the Frag token launch. And yeah, can I share my screen? Okay. Yep. I'll take this laptop here. Yeah. And um, let me go first on the bigger picture, what we are doing and why we are doing it. I'm sure that the core members of Evedo and Fragment and the Evedo ecosystem, they know, but I'm gonna explain again where we are going, what is our vision, and what we are building up here for the last 5 years. This is our second bear market. that we are experiencing. And for this whole time, like we developed with the clear goal that we want to bring innovation in the event and entertainment industry by providing products that are that are related with the events and entertainment industry, but also they are going to be implemented with Web3, which is NFTs, blockchain, smart contracts, also even metaverse. And here we are building already like Plantix, which is our fully functional event ticketing platform, where we handled like thousands of events so far for the last 3 years. And we work with event organizers from around the world, like more than 20 countries. We have like 5 languages that the platform is localized, and we have a growing database of event organizers, users that are buying tickets, and a lot of different a lot of different a lot of different uh, participants in this website, where people are actually exploring events, they're selling tickets, or they do their RSVP through our system. And we also have a great RSVP functionality for free events, a lot of tools for organizers, a lot of tools for people that are buying tickets, social media functionalities that we are going to make this ticketing platform more social, where you can go, you can add your favorite promoters, you can speak with other people. You know, like it's a huge system where we are improving on a daily basis. And as you know, guys, we are also like trying to implement here the NFT tickets, where we want to become one of the first easy to use, lazy platforms for organizers that can easily go and mint and sell NFT tickets through the platform. And this will be actually the first NFT related and Web3 related feature in the platform, Plantix, where we already work with a bunch of organizers around the world, and more are coming on a daily basis. As you know, like the pandemic is over, and the organizers are doing a lot of physical events. We are open for any kind of digital, mixed, hybrid, physical, any kind of events. And yeah, the long story short, Plantix is one of our products that is really gaining a lot of traction, and it's the most completed product in the ecosystem. When it comes to a video ecosystem, yeah, we also have Gigix, which is our B2B marketplace, where we are connecting entertainers with event organizers, promoters, any kind of participants in the organization of events. And what you're seeing here is our alpha that is here since long time, but we are slowly working on releasing the marketplace as a first version. And like the realistic scenario is to be like first version to be released next year, probably in Q2. And we are having enough time to develop the MVP of that functional product. And you know that, like, based on all this experience, all these contacts, all this network, we actually we actually were able to explore the NFTs like almost 2 years ago. And we realized that the network that we have, and we work with our organizers, DJs, artists, any kind of performers, celebrities, people from Hollywood as well. You know that one of our advisors is the director of co-director of Millennium Films Hollywood. We have like a huge network in this in the entertainment space, and we decided that in our ecosystem we can have also an NFT platform. That platform to be really different, and to have like a unique approach to the NFTs, and based on the network that we are having on the ecosystem and with all the other businesses, with the events, with the DJs, with the artists, with the entertainers, celebrities, movie actors, movie studios. We want to bring like this network through a product that we are building, and that's how Fragment, our NFT platform, was born. And that was a year and a half ago. And we started like brainstorming with the team what exactly we need to do to be different on the market. That's how the idea for fragmentation and showing a bolder vision, uh, and bigger picture, like with the option to be fragmented, and people to have specific specific pieces from art or any other digital intellectual property in the through the platform, and to access NFTs, and to have auctions or fixed price NFTs, and and uh, that's how Fragment was born. And the name Fragment is we have a lot of people that are saying, yeah, it's a great name because it really shows what we are up to, fragmented minting. And with Fragment, we have the clear goal to have a curated NFT marketplace and NFT drop platform, that we are having ongoing premium campaigns with our premium partners and our growing network of premium partners that are open to give intellectual property officially to be created as NFTs, and also a mass segment where the creators are also approved by us in the beginning and by the community of voters in the future, where we have all these creators that will prove to us that they have first the art element. Second, they have the long-term vision of what they're building. They have a clear vision of the community that they want to build and what utility they want to give to the people. And this is where we actually are very 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 focused. And we don't want to create an open platform for everyone to do copycats and a lot of people to be scammed. We want to have a clear platform where we focus on building up really quality content, really quality artists, and the people that are buying these NFTs and selling and trading, they can of course be everyone, and it's open for the public. Everyone can register even now. So far, we have around 50,000 registered users. This is based on all the campaigns that we've done through the initial DEX offerings that we were doing. But yeah, the the platform Fragment as a part of Evedo ecosystem is was created because of that reasons. And it's actually the product and the project that is gaining most traction, and it's with a huge potential to grow exponentially in the next months, years, and it's a completely Web3 product. The Frag token was the token, and it is the token that is in the center of the ecosystem of Fragment. And the token is going to be used for different tiers uh, different tiers of profiles, and also like people that are having Frag tokens will have like different access to different features in the platform in the future. When we are growing the platform, they will be voting, there will be also staking, NFT staking. Something that is very important is that also the token is deflationary based on the performance of the platform and how many people are using the token. There will be constant burns, and the supply is going to be decreased. The supply, as you can see here, is 99 nine 9900,000 tokens, 99 million tokens. that 20% of that tokens were already burned. This is based on the action plan that we created after we were scammed on the token launch. That's something that I'm gonna speak more after I finish here, like the presentation of what we are doing. And yeah, the Frag token, it's already fully functional and traded on the markets. There is also like active staking that that here you can easily see and stake, unstake, restake your tokens. But for sure, Fragment is something that we really strongly believe in, and what's next here is that we are planning to start the first campaigns to open for creators that we approved, and to focus also, like as a next step, to do our first premium NFT campaign as well, and to start gaining real NFT sales, real traction. You know that this is definitely not the very best time for the NFT market, for the crypto market in general, but the NFT market is also very harmed. We see a lot of FUD going on. We see a lot of even valuable NFTs that they go almost to zero, and I believe that this is something that is healing the market and is going to give like long term a really good push to the real NFTs, to the real creators, to the people that and brands that are going to have like real utilities in their NFTs, and they're focusing on building value for the NFT owners, not just launching something, selling out, and then disappear, which we were we were seeing this all the time on the bull run that was in the last 2 years. And what I'm really sure is that platforms like ours and platforms that are focused on the quality of the NFTs that they're going to release are having a big future in the next years and in the next bull run, and and building up now on the down of the market is crucial and most important. And building the community, the users, the use cases, the innovation that we want to bring in the field is definitely something that we are focused on. That was the long story, not so short for a video ecosystem, and also you can see here like some more information about Evedo token. That is our token that is going to be used very soon. We'll start with some real adoption of the token in the platforms that we are building, and Evedo token will be used in Plantix, in Gigix, also. Like you know that we were now we are multi-chain with Evedo token, where we have also bridge to Hydra chain, our partners from Hydra, that we are preparing also staking in Hydra, which is something that we postpone because a number of reasons. Based on all this market fluctuations, and based on what is happening to the market, we decided first to take a little rest to see what exactly we need to do as a staking, how to structure it, how to manage it on the way that it's valuable for everyone, and meanwhile to build up the products, which is the most important thing. And and yeah, that's how we approach the events and entertainment market. We believe that in the next 5 years, we are already 5 years on the market, but in the next 5 years, we definitely will penetrate on a pretty innovative way the event and entertainment segments with the products that we have. And like when it comes to Web3 and NFT tickets, we believe that this will be something really strong, that we will scale like 100x as a scale the products that we do now with the small steps, and like one by one organizers are coming to us with the NFT tickets. We want to be like one of the top platforms organizers that are preferring to use for their NFT tickets sales. And by the way, the event organizers are one of the best use cases for the NFTs, because they put so many utility with what they do anyway, like with the event, with a backstage experience, with some VIP experience, with some special merchandising, and some special community of the core fans of the events and festivals and conferences and everything else. And we are happy to work with a lot of people that are are going to use this feature. And now let me speak about some bad experiences, guys. Some bad experiences that we have uh, like for the last 2 months. And we'll start again the story where fragment when fragment was actually created by our team. We start doing like on a way that, yeah, we do a private sale, then we do a public sale, and we launch the token that is the utility token in the platform that I explained a little bit earlier. And when we started doing this, we understand that the market is going down, and all these market fluctuations actually postponed a lot our process of onboarding supporters on private sales, also on doing the IDOs and public sales. Anyway, some on some way, we with the team, we were working on two main directions, like the product development, which is the platform that I just showed, and also like onboarding partnerships, creating a network, and actually explaining to our existing network what we are going to do, and onboarding a lot of early customers that are going to have NFT campaigns and all this stuff. And meanwhile, we decided to have also IDOs here on the Fragment block. Actually, you can track like a lot of information that we we was launching, and we were releasing on like on a weekly base, I can say, and on a daily base you can see our Twitter and everything else. But we actually had some great partners like Polygon Studios, Ferrum Network. We onboarded like Fate Connection with their project Fate Tribe, and we are going to have some collaborations on when it comes to a premium fashion and NFTs that can be actually transferred into a fashion, and a limited series of fashion can be done. And yeah, we were doing everything by the book, I can say. And just a moment. And what happened next is that we said, okay, we are growing our product, we're growing our community, everything. And what's next? Let's go for a public sale, because this is a very important part of the project. When we go to the public sale, we are going to have after that token launch. And back in June this year, we onboarded a couple of launchpads, a couple of partners that we start working with. And in June, like, the situation with the crypto again was like very tricky. Like every day there was some FUD, the market was dropping. And even after a successful IDOs in a couple of exchanges, one of them, BlockPad, that scammed us in October after that. BlockPad, they like we had like $108,000 raise. And can I show my screen? And also we have like a couple of other exchanges, like Beanstarter, which are great partner. Even now, they're great partner, like Paid Ignition and all these other other exchanges. Exchanges, launchpads. And what we've done is that on the final day we decided, okay, we're gonna postpone the token launch for the main reason that the market is dropping a lot, and it's the sentiment of the market. It's not the market that we want to launch the token. And back in the days, our community was still not so big. Like it was like 20,000 people, something like this. And we decided, okay, let's have another 3 months. And yeah, we closed the IDOs. All the funds was all the funds was sent back to the people from the launchpads, and it was clear. Yeah, nobody lose nothing, and for sure we get this decision as a hard decision, but all advisors, all partners, everyone said, guys, do not launch now. Like you need a little bit more community, you need a little bit more time to develop, and that's exactly what we've done. We said, okay, we're gonna do it in October, no matter what the market is. In October we are going to do it, but for these 3 months we are going to increase a lot the awareness of the project. We're gonna invest a lot on the marketing, on the partnerships, on building up the product, and having all the all the things that we need to have a proper launch, proper token launch. And October came. We decided to do like some kind of it was very hard to do in a lot of launchpads, public sales, and we start working with great launchpads and great partners, like Beanstarter, like Paid, like Peak DeFi, like a lot of other launchpads that like Pulse, Wastepad, a lot of launchpads that we decided to collaborate with them with two main reasons. First reason is to get their communities to get to know about our project, because every launchpad we have marketing activities, we have AMA sessions, we have some special Gleam campaigns or giveaways, or like some community activations that are rushing. Actually, they're motivating people to start exploring the project, to see our social medias, to join our channels and all this stuff. And with more than 10 campaigns, we managed to, like, for a month we managed to bring the community like to more than 120,000 people. I think on the peak we were around 120,000 people, and that was not bots. That was not yeah, there was some yes sir, no sir. You know, like there's always some people that are looks like scammers and looks like fake people. But the core and most of the people was exactly the people that we were we were looking for, people that are aware of what is a new project, what are NFTs, what we are doing in general. And and yeah, we made successful raises in all the launchpads that we work with, and we had around almost $1 million in raises to all the launchpads, which was the second thing that we were doing it, also to bring some fresh capital in the project from the public, and also to decentralize and to distribute the token to thousands of new people in the very beginning, which is a great approach for starting. And what happened is that I definitely think that we do everything by the book. We have all the partners out there, everyone coordinated, when the tokens are going to be distributed, what the same vesting for every launchpad, the same vesting for our private sale contributors, and all this stuff. And we also added like the proper liquidity almost $500,000 liquidity on Pancake Swap on the day of the listing, which was it was like 13th of October. Yeah, and we were ready to explode. Like everything said, so many hyped people, so many great partners around here and there, some fresh money that are coming also when we do the proper launch to the company, and we are using them for building up even faster the project. And in the minute one, when we added the liquidity, these guys here, you can see them. Uh, uh, just a moment. These guys, BlockPad, Blocktopia, they sold 2.8 million tokens and caused this beautiful, ugly, actually, very ugly graph that they dumped our token with more than 50% in the minute one of the liquidity add, and they actually killed like year and a half of hard work of 20 people for a second. And what they've done is that they had of our tokens that we were working back in the days in June, and what they've done is that instead of giving us back these tokens, they just waited us to add the liquidity and to sold out all the tokens, all the tokens that they have, and they were supposed to give us back, and that's by contract, and that's by everything, and with the communication between us and everything. I'll go through this article just to show you like some stuff, what they've done, how they actually with a couple of transactions, like 3 transactions, every transaction like $28,000-$30,000. They they put the they put the token on knees, and actually they just killed our first like launch, our launch. They killed our momentum on the beginning. And just a moment to open it. Yeah, just a moment. Yeah, and they actually ruined our strategy. If you don't know like how the launch pads are working, like now on these markets, which are very tricky with the bear market, like they have protection policies. These protection policies just say that people are protected if the price of the token drops. They will not lose money. They will be refunded, and the project will not distribute the tokens, and which is fair enough. And we agree with all the launch pads to be kind of premium project that agree on that, and we don't want everyone to lose the money if something happened on the launch. And the launch happened, and Blocktopia, um, killed the strategy and killed the liquidity, and they took out like $77,000 from the liquidity, which killed the price. And on that way, we were like rushed by ourselves and by the contracts that we have with everyone, that we work with as a launchpads. We were rushed to send back the money to the people. Actually, that was the first reaction when we saw in the first minute that this happened. We get these transactions, we put it public, we pin it in our Telegram and all the channels that we have. We said, guys, there is a problem. We don't know what is happening, but there is a problem. Also we sent this to all the launchpads. We said, hey guys, please refund your people because there is a problem with the launch. We don't know what is happening. There is a mistake somewhere. For sure, like if this happens, this is something that we need to research what is happening. And we were first shocked, but second, we said, okay, with full transparency, we're pushing, and we're gonna see what is happening with the project and with the token. We needed 3 days actually. We needed 3 days to understand that the dumper was not some private sale that by some mistake we distribute. No, we didn't distribute any tokens to any private sale. It was not inside job. That was the second option. Someone from the team that have access to us as a founders has, that was the futurist, like the sci-fi scenario, but but definitely it was one of the scenarios that someone in it's inside job, and we don't even thought that some of the partners, some of the launch pads can be involved with dump on the first minute and and with all this situation. But it happened. Yeah, we realized that it's Blocktopia. By the way, here on the article, you can go and read everything in details, all the screenshots. There is a video that we put. We put the team of Blocktopia on a video. We recorded it. We said, guys, we're recording it. It's not a private camera, you know. And we said we're gonna record this, and for sure, like yeah, we were absolutely shocked that a partner that was is actually they're supposed to help projects to 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 raise money, to go to the market, to develop their products, and what they do is that as a bad actor, they're just waiting the project to put the tokens and the liquidity on the market, and they took from this liquidity in the first second, in the first minute. That's absolutely insane, and that you cannot do this if you are a launchpad. You cannot do this. If you do this, you are there to scam people. You're there to ruin the work of tens of 20, 30, and hundreds of people, and also like to ruin like thousands of people that are supporting a project, and you just kill it for a second. Blocktopia, BlockPad, they've done that, and all the proofs are there. Uh, we also tried to connect them after that. Yeah, they give us. Oh yeah, the very important thing. They said, "Oh yeah, we do by mistake. Please take your money back." And they send us this $77,000. They send us back, but what? We lost like a million in raises. We lose our reputation. Like for the first weeks, people were thinking that we are some scammers. Like we had like a huge stress to the whole team. We were ruined to actually optimize the team, like to cut people from the team, because without the additional runaway from the public sales on these crazy markets and bear market that is out there, we cannot hold like 50 people team that we had to the ecosystem. And this is part of the updates that I'm going to give you guys. We unfortunately put some people on hold for the moment that we work with, and we're focusing only on the most important features of the products that we are building. And like any other company, by the way, in this bear markets, we want to extend our runway. We want to extend like the possibility to go through the bear market. And of course we have limited resources, and with the down of the markets, we have like this uh, not so well runway that we cannot hold on salary so many people. And with the team, we decided to optimize. We cut people from the marketing team, we cut people from the development team, we cut people from the operations, and we are optimizing the organization on a way that it's only the most important stuff is developed, and everything that can that is not priority number one for the project, we are doing it on hold and focusing on that. And that's the that's the update for the whole ecosystem and what we are optimizing. But yeah, if Blocktopia, BlockPad was not a bad actor, we would be on a completely different situation now, with a proper token launch, with not we would have like some additional runaway. We also lost hundreds of thousands of dollars because of this situation, like from the liquidity that we put, from like the foot that people were doing, and we also I think that we react on a very very like in this stressful situation we react on a very first transparent way. Like we've done live streams, we've done like a lot of publicity with what is happening, and we release, as I showed you on the on the blog post. You can go there and see all the transactions, all the communications, and everything that happened. That proves that we were actually attacked, and we are not guilty for the for the situation that we were. But this is the life, and this is the lesson that we need to learn, and lesson that showed us that who you trust is definitely um, maybe the most important at the end of the day. And partnerships, people that you are surrounding with, definitely need to be checked, triple checked, and at the end you can be hit by a partner. On our side, we took all the actions. We also we made like soon after the hit, we made an action plan that we executed with with um, with a lot of steps. That we relaunched the token, we moved the liquidity, we had like some steps that we checked one by one, and as a result, we have now kind of healthy market of the Frag token that you can track on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Also, we have some really bad experience. You can say here good, yeah. You have bad experience that we believe that on a way that we react, and on a way that things are moving. Uh, Long term, this will be definitely for good, and even more people will explore and see a project that is building up, and no matter what is happening is delivering. And here we go. It's 2 months after the situation that I just explained, and with small steps but very hard steps, we are moving forward, and we believe that what we do now is the right things, and the transparency that we are providing to the community, with the partners that we are working, and we are also transparent to them as well, what is happening and where we are, what are our like great things that are happening, but also what are the bad things that are happening. um, we we are here to stay, guys, and to develop everything that we are building. And this hard winter, for sure, we are trying to learn on a daily basis and to see what mistakes we need to prevent in the next months, years, and everything that is going on. That was my story for Fragment and the launch. Important to say that, yeah, the great thing that is coming is the product itself is going to be launched with NFT campaigns, and we'll start gaining traction. We already have like hundreds of artists that are applying for the for this for having NFT campaign in Fragment. If you're an artist, you can go in the website, you can subscribe as an artist. There is a section for creators, and also expect like a lot of new updates in the next months. It's very hard. We invest a lot of energy, a lot of efforts. We literally don't sleep to handle all the situations that are caused by the bad actor. Uh, Also, we are going to have our legal actions to them, which is very important, and we are working on that as well. They know it. We told them. Um, they just said, "Okay, let's our lawyers speak," and that's it. Thanks. Uh, but yeah, with the video ecosystem and with with the products that we are building, definitely there there will be some optimizations, even more. We already done like, I can say, 60% of the optimizations. In the next 2 months we're gonna do the complete optimization, where the work structure, the interactions with the people that are working for the project as well, will be on a little bit different and more bear market, let's say, and crypto winter relations. And we are doing with the right approach to say, yeah, we are building, we want to have like, we want to go through this hard situation with the lessons learned, and at the same time, like, to scale our products, which is the most important thing. Thank you guys for watching this update. Please subscribe to our channels, go to our YouTube, Twitter. Please share this content. Also our Telegram, our Discord, everywhere, Facebook, LinkedIn. Uh, we are everywhere, trying to be there, and we'll be happy to have a lot of questions from you guys. And when we have it, uh, we're gonna answer. I just see that there is some questions now. Let me just read it before we finish. Okay, hi Stoyan, thanks for the update. I'm listening from the beginning. Can you give an update on Evedo staking? Will be live on Hydrodex? Yeah, I maybe that was before I said it. Like, you know that we were planning to do it like 2 months ago when we do the bridge with Hydrodex, and now the token is traded on the Hydrodex. We were planning right after that to do the staking, but we realized that we need to do some changes first. After that, we were hit from all this that happened with Fragment and the Frag token launch, and we were completely not focused on that, unfortunately. It's now a priority as well, and hope for the next Evedo talk early next year to have some updates about this and exact date when the staking will be open, and on what logic it will going to be to work. Thanks for that question. Do you have a roadmap for 2023? Yeah, we have a roadmap for 2023. It's still not updated. This month, in December, it will be published on our channels with some main things that we aim and when that will happen. Yeah, how is the integration of Evedo into the Plantix platform for paying in Evedo for tickets? Yeah, we now actually realize that paying with Evedo for tickets for the moment it's not the best thing to do. First, because of the volatility. Second, because like that will make the things more complicated for the ticket buyers. And that's why what we are actually focusing on is that I can share here again, by the way. Just a moment. I will share here the new tokenomics of Evedo token that we actually have these integrations that are going to happen. The Evedo token will be used for premium accounts in the Plantix platform, target ads and performance marketing. The prices will be twice cheaper than paying with fiat, and that will motivate people to actually start using Evedo to do performance marketing campaigns in the platform. For ticket payments, we will hold it a little bit because of some concerns how exactly it will work. In-app payments, but for everything that is related to the organizers, we are going to implement it. And one of the very important things is that we also going to implement it for the NFT tickets. like organizers will be able to create NFT ticket sales if they hold event token, certain amount of event tokens. This is going to give also a lot of utility to the event token. And as the new tokenomics here, you can see like how the token will works. Like from Gigs and Plantix, the earnings will go to a pool where like 50% of this pool will be distributed to the staking pool that people will be able to stake on Hydra or in Ethereum as well. And yeah, that's the update about this. And thanks for this question, because it is very important. And the Evedo token is upgrading for sure. And we have a lot of things to be done, but the development is in progress, and some first implementations will come after we put the NFT tickets as functionality. Thank you for that question. And let me see here. Yeah, I don't see any other questions, but yeah, thank you guys. That was the long story long for me. I really hope that you guys will enjoy your holidays. You'll spend some really quality time with your families, your friends, and like see you in January. Meanwhile, we are reachable in all the channels, in all our Telegram channels, Discord, and everywhere. Feel free to ask any questions and connect us. And wish you guys amazing end of the year. And hopefully that the crypto winter is going to finish with the real winter. And soon after New Year, we'll see some bullish moves of the whole market, and people will start understand will start to understand that crypto is here to stay, and any kind of failures are on the centralized part, and the decentralized part is really, really strong, and it's getting stronger. I believe that Bitcoin and all the other great projects out there and altcoins that are with strong teams, with strong vision, with really like shifting mindset. They're here to stay, and no matter what market is, the things will be developed and adopted. Thank you guys, and wish you a great night and rest of the year.